What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Cruising the South, and if you're new to the channel, a big welcome. Here at Cruising the South, we share with you guys all the awesome places we go with the boat, but also all the problems, right? And today's episode is about one of those problems. Okay, so it looks like that I spun one of my pushing rod bearings, and so most likely I'm gonna have to be replacing this engine, okay, because considering the type of a job that I would have to go through just to put the same block that's in there back in the boat, because I would have to replace the take the engine out one way or the other, right? So considering this is a big job, and the only thing that is not brand new is actually the lower half of the engine, because I already changed my head cases, I already changed my intake manifold, my exhaust manifolds. The whole top half of the engine is brand new already. So this issue would be on the lower half of the engine, which I never replaced. So most likely I'm just gonna buy a brand new block and change this engine. But let me show you guys what a spun pushing rod bearing sounds like. All right, come on. Okay, so I at this point already took you know, the heads of the engine out. As you can see, to accomplish that, I removed, you know, my water, my water pump. I just disconnect my water pump there real quick, so I could take this bracket out, because this bracket and the water pump was connected together. So I removed this so I could take these caps off. And to take this without taking the exhaust manifolds out is very tricky, right? So because see, the screws are like in there, and with the cover on, you can't really get to it. See how it is on this engine? So I had to use a little clever little setup with my things. I had to get creative with it to get it out. I'll make a video about that a little later. But right now I just want to show you guys what a spun pushing rod bearing sounds like, right? And that would be on the lower half of the engine. Check it out. Yeah, and believe me, it's worse than it sounds. So I could pull this engine out and replace all the bearings inside of it, but considering that these headsets are brand new, I already had to replace that in one rebuild that I did. I also have the video of that in the channel. And you know, my carburetor is new, my exhaust manifolds are new, everything in the boat's pretty much new but my lower half of the engine. So instead of going through the trouble just to rebuild this entire block, I'm just gonna put a brand new one. So then this engine is gonna be 100% brand new. So I'm gonna be sharing the project with you guys, so a good reason to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the very next episode. Bye bye.